Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Factual History. Today I am going to discuss about major sources of Indian history in brief. These sources are very important. Now we have question in mind that what is historical source? Its answer is very simple. Historical source is original source that contain important historical information. These sources are something that inform us about history at the basic level, and these sources used as clues in order to study history. Friends, we have two types of historical sources. First is literary sources, means any type of written material in any language is known as literary sources. Second is archaeological sources, means any type of ancient record consists of artifacts and architecture is known as archaeological sources. Now we will discuss these sources in details. Literary sources are divided into three categories. First major category is religious literature. Second major category of literary sources is secular literature. Third major category of literary sources is accounts of foreign travelers. Again, these categories are further divided into subcategories. For example, religious literature is divided into three parts. First is Hindu literature or Vedic literature, which is written in Sanskrit language. Second is Buddhist literature, which is written in Pali language. Third is Jain literature, which is written in Prakrit language. In the same way, secular literature is divided into subcategories. For example, first is biographical literature. Second is historical literature. Third is dramas. Fourth is folk literature. Like the earlier two categories, accounts of foreign travelers consist of accounts of Greek travelers, accounts of Chinese travelers, accounts of Tibetan travelers, accounts of Muslim travelers. Friends, as you know, second major category of historical sources is archaeological sources. Archaeological sources includes coins, inscriptions, idols, monuments, pottery, paintings, seals and skeletons. Friends, today we have briefly discussed the major categories of important historical sources. I am sure now you can easily describe what is historical source and major categories of historical sources. Friends, in the next videos, we will discuss these sources one by one in full details. Till then, keep reading and stay safe. Thank you.